So hi guys, I am Yashwant from SGMers. I got this puppy, sick puppy, before 5 days, and it has not eaten any food and is very sick from serious fever. So guys, please help him. Donate money for him. Donate money, send money, save life. Please guys, this is very sick. He is very sad as well. Come, come puppy, come. Come, come. See guys, he's not walking at all, sitting on place. Chal. See guys, he's not eating anything and he has a very big wound here. See guys, he has got hurt from a crack here and it has a wound here. So guys, and he has a very serious fever. So guys, please help him. Donate money. I will send money. I will send the phone number to my video description. So guys, please send money for it, and we will help it. And I will make this video, and I will send to you all after 5 days. See you guys. Your money will save him. Please help him.